So, update, 10 minutes later, look what I found. A rotten pipe nipple. It's just disintegrating. Falling apart, just mush. So it's a bit of a struggle. I got the lock off, and the hose was just barely long enough to put back on top of this, and that is mushy. I do have some extra coolant, but it's not the right stuff. It's mostly water also. I don't have any plain water. I'm not sure how much coolant I lost in this episode. It was just smoking for a couple of minutes. Who knows how much I lost. Just got lucky I took the wrong turn. Just left the rest stop 5 minutes earlier and just ended up on this residential street somewhere trying to figure out what to do, and I'm going up this hill and I'm being followed by a cloud of smoke. So let me see if I can put this hose on and run this clamp down. Luckily, I've got a vice grip that I bought at the swap meet in Palm Springs for $2. $2. Oh man. Well, could have been worse. Could have been snowing or going 70 miles an hour or who knows what. So let's see if I can put this back together. I'll pause. So there we go. I'm back in business. I looked at a whole bunch of these in the junkyard and I kept on thinking, boy, this is such a weak spot. But it's been there for all these years. What's the likelihood of it going bad since I'm going back to the cold of the north? What's the likelihood of this thing letting go on the trip? Well, there's your answer. When things let go, they let go. They just let go when they want. And I don't have a hose clamp. Usually when I go to the junkyard I grab hose clamps, but I did not grab a hose clamp. But I think that one will suffice. And I hate to pry on it because everything is mush, so in goes my transmission dipstick. And I'd even thought about cutting a piece of the dipstick off, but I don't have a saw or a grinder, and I've got antifreeze all over my hands, so I wonder how much coolant I lost. But I guess I put it back together, but that's definitely a weak spot. Should have been a recall for that piece of crap. It's plastic garbage. It's the downfall of these beautiful vehicles. They drive so nice, but when the plastic breaks down, you've got a big problem. Yep, I even wonder when the next one's gonna go. If this one's gonna let go next. Mush. Ha! How do you like that? Wherever I am in New Jersey, no one's walked by. No one here to bother me. So, wonder how much coolant I lost. I'm not going to put in the wrong stuff. I got to get back to a service station or some place and get some water and pack this baby up. So, we'll survive. We'll figure it out. Luckily, it's not too cold. 40-something degrees, 45 probably. All right, I might be back on the road.